Are Betterbrand Mullein Gummies really the secret weapon for better breathing and a stronger immune system? Or are they just another cleverly marketed wellness product? These apple-flavored, doctor-formulated gummies promise to support your lung health, give your immune system a boost, and enhance your overall wellness, all thanks to a blend of sea moss, bladderwrack, and burdock root ingredients often praised in herbal communities for their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. The idea of swapping bulky, hard-to-swallow capsules for a convenient, tasty gummy is definitely appealing, and it's one of the reasons these have caught attention. Many users say the flavor is surprisingly good, making it easier to stay consistent with daily use. Some report genuine improvements in lung capacity and breathing, claiming they feel clearer, especially in the morning. Others even notice unexpected skin benefits, like a smoother, more hydrated texture, which may be due to the mineral-rich ingredients. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Several users find the gummies overpriced for what they offer, especially compared to buying the raw ingredients separately. There are also some quality control issues mentioned, like gummies sticking together in the jar or arriving slightly melted, which can be frustrating when you're paying a premium. And while some users feel a real difference, others are left underwhelmed, saying they didn't notice any meaningful changes in their health even after finishing the bottle. So, are they legit or just hype? Honestly, they sit somewhere in the middle. Betterbrand Mullein Gummies offer a convenient and tasty way to incorporate popular wellness ingredients into your routine, and some people truly benefit, but they're not a one-size-fits-all miracle. If you're curious and have room in your budget, they might be worth a shot, but go in with realistic expectations.